Just a brief moment of real connection, a hug, a hand on the shoulder, even eye contact can shift your biology. Your stress hormones drop, your heart rate slows, and even your immune system gets a boost. This is one of the most important aspects of staying forever young. And Dr. Pablo is going to show us the science behind what our spirit is doing in every cell, in every heartbeat, and in every thought.
Everything the body does begins with the soul. The body listens, it responds, it mirrors our deepest intentions. Across decades of research, one truth emerges: the people who thrive, who live the longest and healthiest, those are the ones with the warmest, deepest connections to others. They have less heart disease, less diabetes, less cognitive decline. And when those in their 80s were asked what they would do differently, they wished they had spent less time at work, more time with loved ones, and they wished they hadn't worried so much about others' opinions. And everyone across the board felt the most proud of their roles as partners, parents, friends, and mentors. When we reach out in a hug, a laugh, a shared heartbeat, neurons fire, oxytocin flows, and dopamine balances. Eye contact syncs us and aligns our brainwaves. Online interactions can mimic the feeling of connection, but they cannot nourish us. True connection is organic. And in a world dominated by screens, the most powerful act may be the simplest: to awaken the soul by being fully present, to reach out and to truly connect, heart to heart, soul to soul.